Redmi K30 5G is confirmed to launch on December 10th in China. We had an idea that the K30 would feature dual punch-hole front cameras and vertically placed rear cameras. Today, we have spotted some unofficial renders on the upcoming device on Weibo. The renders reveal a dual punch-hole camera on top and a centrally placed vertical cameras at the back. The company has now teased the Redmi K30, saying that it will feature the world's first high-resolution image sensor. Other than the high-claim loop waving, Redmi's general manager did not reveal anything else about the Redmi K30's camera. Xiaomi has already launched the world's first 108-megapixel smartphone Mi Note 10. Since the Redmi K30 is touted to be another first, it could come with a new 60-megapixel Sony IMX686 image sensor. This would make the Redmi K30 the first smartphone with this camera sensor. Redmi K30 has already been associated with the Sony IMX686 sensor in the past through the Qualcomm camera library. At the same time, the Redmi K30 was also reported to feature a 120Hz display according to a hidden setting in the MIUI 11 for display refresh rate. Xiaomi will also launch a 5G model for the Redmi K30 series, making it the first mid-range phone with this feature. As for the rest of the specifications, the Redmi K30 is expected to feature a 6.66-inch Full HD display with 20:9 aspect ratio. The smartphone could be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G processor paired with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage as a base model. Redmi K30 is also expected to pack a 4500 mAh battery with 27-watt charging. For photography, Redmi K30 is said to house a quad camera setup with an 8-megapixel telephoto lens, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Up front, the dual selfie camera setup could feature a 20-megapixel and a 2-megapixel combination. The Redmi K30 will feature a punch-hole display housing 2 selfie cameras. These are the unofficial information which we hope to be true.